Okay, if you're thinking about a two-story house, putting a room addition over your existing structure, here's some of the things you're gonna have to deal with. They wanna go up right here, put a room above there, so we tear all this roof off, okay? The whole structure, that's easy enough. But you have to support it at the corners. See the retrofit bolting? And then underpinning. See the foundation? The original foundation right there. 2 foot deep, and we have to go down another 4 feet. Look at that. And all that steel back in there. So it's a lot more work. And that's just to carry a 4x8 post. Absolutely crazy. And then another one right around the corner. Massive underpinning under the house to carry the structure above. Look at that. Huge. Huge pads. So anything can be done. And I'm not saying it isn't fun. All this underground work, you know, to give support. It depends on the detail above. But you don't have a 2-story footing if you have a single-story house. Not to mention that the existing footing on your house right now is not rated for new single-story footings right now. So the code has increased exponentially, and you want to go on top of it as opposed to going out. But in some cases, there's no space, like this house. Okay, the crane is here, and those are the beams we have to get up. Monster. That's the biggest one first. Going back to the back here, where it got wet, and whew. It's warming up now, though. Lord, give us your eyes to see. Don't want to step through that drywall. Armando's building a rack over here, and yeah, here we go. So if you want to put a second story on your house, you got to get a crane like this. Look at that dude. Where's the beam? I can't even see it. It's hanging in the sky. It's coming at me. Awesome. So you're working with the crane, you're worried about getting crushed, you're worried about falling through the ceiling. Look at that. What do? You catch your finger, you catch your hand on a staple. Right there. Look what happens. Man, just caught the edge of it. There. Made like a pretty color, pretty red. Just that. And I'm worried about getting crushed. So as soon as I took my gloves off, boom, ouch. Oh well. Here we go, one more load. So there it is. That's why you get up in the morning, to throw some beams on the roof, some big old TJIs, a big old pallet of plywood. It's a good morning, I tell you. Say goodbye to Mr. Crane. So we put the tarp on, and then of course we got to walk on it. On top of the joist. Well, you know, we're men. It's what we do. If we can get the owner on the roof, man.
Get me off the roof.
Get that man off the roof.
Barking out orders up here.
Man, tell ya. Got no plywood on my landing yet. No staircase yet. It's coming up. Please don't rain tonight.
No, me.
So here it is. The deck is built. It's a little bit easier to walk now.
Yeah.
Everyone's happier. Of course, the owner's up on the roof again. Okay, there's your deck. The floor system for the second story addition. Trying to beat the rains. It's winter time. California winter. Can't you tell? Sun's shining. Oh, what a life. Okay, wall number 1. Got your corner brace on there, both ways. And then away we go around the perimeter. Okay, we finished out that section. It's time to go home. Got all the plates laid out. Next day we come out, framed like a crazy man. Gonna get gable ends in there. Okay, we're getting some walls up.
You want that thing to come up and arch like that? And then the window will be over here. That's what I think.
Okay, it's all framed up now except for the rafters and the beams go in tomorrow. Merry Christmas to you too. There's only 2 interior walls there. It's lunchtime.
Yeah.
Lunchtime and Happy's back. Got his Bunsen burner there. I should have brought me something to warm up, man. He's quite a guy, I tell you. Then there's Armando. You never know what you're going to get with him. Okay, crane day number 2. Look at that. Right over my head. Boom. Here we go. Another beam. Ready? Yeehaw. Okay, well, this is how it goes when you're working on the roof. It's not Cal OSHA approved, I don't think. What do you think? I did not get on this ladder, but it's got a brace. It's fine. Oh my goodness, good thing it's on the back of the house. Happy, did you do that?
Yeah.
Okay, framing is getting wrapped up, and like I said, sometimes you put the scaffolding up where you shouldn't do it, but I didn't do that, someone else did it, and I'm not going up there. Trust me. So they're gonna stack the roof now. Got the framing all done, made it through some rain, and finally gonna get this thing in the dry. Whew. Got a couple walls to build in here, that's about it. There we go, set it in place. Okay, the roof sheeting is covered, and the stucco guy's got his roof-to-wall metal on there. Get this thing covered up. Not only does the old man get on the roof, he drags his kids up here. Now this seemed like a good idea at the time.
It's easier getting up than it is down.
Yeah. And that's your plumbing right there. Look at that. That's water pipe. Flexible lines. So all you guys that hate your job,
Yeah.
try putting in some beam stringers. Look at that, boys. We got a 6x beam and we cut the stringer into it. Woo! Good day at the office, boys.
What do you do? Screw them in?